Hi, sir. Hi, how are you?
Very welcome. Sorry for you waiting. I remember you from video call.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were diabetics also. Oh, astrologer. It's Hey, the thought that you wanted to only the lip, na?
Actually, I'm letting on you.
Okay.
So
I'll tell you what all it is.
yes,
Okay. Lip is major for you.
yes, it is.
Right.
But we can do nose and teeth also if you want. I'll tell you. Outside. He's smiling. Right. So with the lip, we can give you a 99%, 100% normal lips. Scar will go, shape will be there, everything. That's the first thing. Hindi is okay or English?
Yeah, English okay.
English is okay.
English also okay. English also.
Both are fine.
Both are fine. So that's the first thing. And then if you want, we can do a nose also. So the nose, what improvement you can expect is the tip is not having support. You see the no support, it's collapsed. So when we give the support for the tip, then you see it will be more proportional to your face. This can come up like this, and this will go inside, a little bit narrow,
More
much better.
pointed way.
And more projection that we can do for the nose. Teeth, what happened is your teeth are having some asymmetry.
Yes.
That also we can do smile designing. That is not a surgery. But what happens is important. Why? Smile little bit midline पे नहीं हो.
Yes.
And also one is in this shape and like matters.
Yes, the jaw height is not
Correct.
correct. Right?
So for that you have to do little bit for the smile teeth also.
Mm.
So those three things you can do. Two are surgeries, one is not a surgery. If you want, you can do everything in the same sitting, or if you want, you can do only lip, come back, do the nose and teeth, or come back, do like that. Whatever you want, you can do options. All three separate costing will be there. For teeth, we need 1 week. Lip, I need only 2 days.
Okay.
Nose, we need 10 to 12 days.
Okay. 10 to 12 days is continuously.
You have to be here at least in the hospital for 5 days. Then after that, 12th day only we will remove the spray to the nose.
Okay. The nose operation will be a big operation or the
Bigger operation. Nose will be bigger than lip. Because nose had the bone also we have to do for you.
Okay.
And I will take a
Actually,
scan.
I am thinking what is the nose. You know that this area and this area are
Little imbalanced. So
imbalanced.
if we can just stretch this one.
But the thing is, for that we have to still do a surgery inside because it doesn't have support on the nose.
Okay.
And the bony support is it's all related to that.
Okay.
Only we cannot stretch like
Okay.
that. So nose a bigger surgery.
Nose are bigger.
Definitely.
So, if I go for the nose surgery also, the breathing problem is there in future or the
No, breathing problem will be better.
will be better.
Yes.
So I have a sinus in my child now.
So that we can make it better. But then for that I have to see your scan for me to tell about the nose.
Yes. So in the lip surgery, the scar will 100% remove.
90 to 95%. The shape of the lip will be made 100%. The scar will be removed 90-95%. Then remaining little scar is there. Suppose 3 months later we can put hair.
Okay, the scar size will this
Very
size
minimal.
or the spot size?
Very small it will be.
Very small.
Like nobody will make up.
Not like this.
No way.
Single line might be.
It's not going to be that visible. Okay, so you can, my team will tell you the costing for these separately. For the nose, if you want me to see, I have to see the scan. Lip, I don't need anything, only a clean shape. Surgery, you can, we can do it tomorrow if you want, or the after, or whenever else you want, no worry. Teeth, or to meet my dental team, they will tell you the overall costing.
No issue. Yeah, I
So lip surgery and what? Lip surgery and teeth surgery, that we are very sure we have to do. Whenever you have
Teeth
that,
is not a surgery.
and teeth treatment, sorry.
Smile designing.
Yeah,
Ah.
smile designing and lip surgery, we are
We
sure
can do
we
now.
have to do it. Yeah,
So
we
then
can
you
do
can do
now.
those after 6 months or whenever you want because it's a little more recovery time is required.
Okay.
Mm.
Nose is not the major concern for us.
ठीक है. No
Smile and lip surgery is there, but
We do
still,
both.
if we can go with the scan and you can see.
then we have to take
हाँ,
the scan.
scan
No,
कराना
no, no,
नहीं,
no.
बाद में ही कराएंगे ना. Okay, sir, we would like to go with lip surgery and this smile design. For now.
Sorry.
So nose we can do later as well,
Yeah,
na?
yeah.
There's no impact on lips.
No impact.
Fine.
I just call the dental team and tell them to get this done for you.
Yeah, but the lips will fine, the nose will not be. It is because we are already seeing him like this, so it will not make any difference,
Yeah.
I believe.
Yeah, it's see, we need to plan for smile designing. Smile. So one is the oral prophylaxis and removing everything on the lower arch. And the upper, I want the teeth to be like, all the 6 here, the small tooth, the first 6, 7 teeth, like a proper ceramic veneers so that we can see. We can follow it up and tell the costume also for this, for the smile part to him. But that will. She will tell you, what
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Yeah.